Carpe Diem, Mubtaheej, and International Star all took to the track after shipping into Churchill Downs, with Carpe Diem galloping on the muscle and International Star looking quite bright and alert as he headed down the back stretch. Mubtaheej went for a little jog, and then trainer Mike DeCock, who's sending out his first Derby starter, just checked him over and said, "Why don't you go out there and go for a little canter?" So he did. Now, Mike DeCock in his press conference said Mubtaheej will go to the gate for some schooling, and he'll also do some paddock schooling. One horse who did not go to the track after arriving yesterday was El Kabir. Trainer John Terranova said that is normal for him on a ship day to just walk the shed row. He said he should expect to go to the track at the 8:30 training time without any issues in paddock school as well. Later today, we expect the arrival of Upstart and Frosted, and as the final Kentucky Derby horses get their first trips over the track, we will keep you posted at bloodhorse.com. Earlier today, we had the post position draw for Friday's Kentucky Oaks, with the California shipper Stellar Wind installed as the 7-2 favorite. A field of 14 fillies going postward there, with one also eligible. Trainer John Sadler said that Santa Anita Oaks winner drew a good position in post 12, and they're happy to have the favorite. He said the California horses are strong this year, and everybody's bringing in their best to compete over the weekend at Churchill Downs. As always, you can follow us for updates at Bloodhorse, at BH_C Novak on Twitter.